Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Finding the substance producing the most energy per gram is simple if you know where to look in the provided data table. First, we need to look at the enthalpy of combustion for each substance. This value tells us how much energy is released when 1 mole of the fuel is burned. Next, divide that molar enthalpy by the molar mass of each substance. This calculation gives us the energy per gram, which is exactly what the question is asking us for. After comparing all results, hydrogen yields the highest value. This makes option A the final winner. You solved it like a pro. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given data and check steps carefully.